Hello, good morning. It's currently 4:21 a.m. June 12. So today is Independence Day. But since I'm not employed, parang wala lang din naman sa akin na holiday today. But anyway, as you can see, mamaya na ako mag-feed check. But matatakbo ako today and tatakbo ako today. But iniisip ko kung anong cap yung susuotin ko. Even though I only have two options. I do have the one from... Saan to? I got this from Decathlon. This is Keep Run. I do like this hat. I've been looking for a hat talaga actually na maganda for running kasi nga ang bilis kong pagpawisan and pag hindi siya yung mga hat na pang running talaga, mabigat siya sa ulo ko. So far, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko, yung sa Decathlon. And then, I do have here the one from Señoritos. It's a local brand at Leisure Department. And I do also love this, pero somehow, mas magaan kasi yung sa Keep Run. So, I tend to grab that most of the time kesa dito. But ganda. Tsaka maganda yung mga colorway ng mga hat ni Señorito. So you guys check them out. And then I do have another hat from Adidas. But for some reason, mabigat din siya sa akin. So today, I'll just go with Keep Run. Okay, let's go outside and mag-stretching na tayo at magsapatos. Okay, andito ako sa second floor ngayon, nag-aantay lang ako ng oras. Iniisip ko kasi kung 5 AM na ako sakto aalis or alis na ako ngayon. It's currently 4:45 naman na. Pero medyo malapit lang din naman kasi yon, parang 10-minute walk lang yung pagtatakbuhan ko. And yeah, usually ganitong oras ako tumatakbo. Gigising na ako ng 4:30 and then ayos ng 15 minutes and then larga na. Pero may times na gusto ko din itry yung may araw na. I was able to do it before sa Parkal. And ngayon, mas prefer ko lang kasi talaga yung ganito kaaga kasi ayoko na masyadong madaming kasabay pag magja-jogging or mag-running. But yeah, next time try natin ng mas late ng onte para may araw. But ngayon kasi medyo nag-uulan, so let's see. Let's go ahead and do a feet check na lang muna. Kasi hindi ko kayo dadalhin sa pag-run or siguro mag-video na lang ako from my phone pero hindi ko kayo dadalhin. Ang hassle kasi magdala pa ng camera and then dala ko pa tong mic. So anyway, I am currently wearing this dry fit shirt from Lotus Activewear. And yung sports bra ko is from Shape Active. And then shorts from Shopee. I know, this is not from Shopee. This is from TikTok. So, I do have a showcase on TikTok. So, you guys can check my TikTok and check all the sportswear that I was able to get. But, anyway, back to the fit check. I'm wearing, again, the Keep Run hat from Decathlon. And then, I'm also wearing Adidas Adistar. And surprisingly, maganda yung sapatos for me. And okay siya talaga for daily runs. And yeah, noong una kasi parang feeling ko mabigat siya. Pero ayun, okay naman siya. And then socks from TikTok din. And I'm wearing Garmin Vivo Active 5. I think it's 5. And then I'm also wearing earphones from Huawei. And this is the Free Arcs. So far, love na love ko tong earphones na to kasi hindi talaga siya natatanggal and sweat-proof. And yon. So, alis na ako and I'll go ahead and see you guys later. Hi. So, I just got home and it's already 6 a.m. So, halos nakaisang oras din tayo dun. Kasama na yung lakad. Ay, I'm so tired. Sobrang grabe yung pawis ko lately pag nag-run. Hindi ko alam kung dahil ba sa weather or what. Pero malamig naman. Pero ayun, medyo nasasada ko kasi ang bagal ko ulit. Kasi last week, before sumakit yung nasa tuhod ko, na okay na eh, kayang-kaya ko na ng medyo madali yung 5 kilometers. Pero ngayon parang hirap na hirap ako, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Baka dahil nagre-recover pa lang yung tuhod ko. And pag the first yung first kilometer, ang bigat na talaga ang bilis bumigat nung tuhod ko. And pero nagawa ko naman tumakbo ng 500 meters na straight. So anyway, that's okay. It's part of the journey. And again, 5 weeks pa lang naman, 5th week pa lang naman to na tumatakbo ako. So that's okay. So let's go up. Akit na tayo sa taas and then siguro magkakape lang muna ako. But let's go.
Hi, Bowie.
So, I think magkakape na lang ako. Hindi ako palaging nagko-coffee kasi hindi ko naman talaga bet ang coffee. But from time to time nagko-coffee ako, pero ito lang, instant coffee. So, may nakalimutan ako, meron nga pala akong suot na belt bag. Ito yung, hindi siya technically bag, pero parang ganun na nga. Madami kong malalagay dyan eh. So, ayan, malalagay mo yung cellphone. And I brought my Katingko spray with me. Yan. Tapos sa likod, ayan, andito yung soft bottle. So, maganda tong, well, technically, yeah, belt bag. Kasi pag sumali ka ng fun run, pwede mo na dito ikapit yung bib mo. So, good shit. Andito na tayo sa taas and magkakape lang ako and magbabasa ako. I'm currently magalaw. I'm currently reading Every Summer After by Carly Fortune. And binasa ko na to, sinimulan ko na to basahin I think last year, pero hindi ko tinuloy, DNF ko siya kasi it wasn't hindi kami nagko-connect or hindi ako makakonect dun sa libro. I think parang ewan ko, I might not be on the right headspace at that time. Pero binabasa ko siya ulit ngayon kasi there is an adaptation of this book. It's a series from Prime and nilabas na siya kahapon. So gusto ko na rin siyang panoodin agad. But I just really wanted to read the book first before watching the series. So far ngayon, ang bilis ko siyang basahin. I'm already at 30%. Sinimulan ko lang to kahapon. So since wala naman ako masyadong gagawin today or I don't know, baka pumunta kami ng Toycon. But yeah, I'm aiming to finish this before next week.